You're at the grocery store, standing in the checkout line, watching the total rise higher and higher. And just like that, your weekly food budget is toast. Again, but what if you could cut that total in half without giving up your favorite foods? What if you knew the grocery store secrets before they emptied your wallet? In this video, we're unlocking the ultimate grocery savings guide for beginners. And trust me, some of these tips are so effective, grocery stores would rather you never found out. But there's one trick, hidden in plain sight, that could slash your bill by nearly 50%. Stick around, because you'll want to use that one on your next trip. Number 1. Always start with a grocery budget. Before you even step foot in the store, decide exactly how much you're going to spend. Not a vague guess, an actual number. Let's say you decide to spend $100 this week. That's your cap. Now here's the trick. Bring that much in cash and leave your card at home. When the cash runs out, you're done shopping. This makes overspending nearly impossible. It also forces you to prioritize what's essential and avoid all those sneaky impulse buys. Number 2. Plan your meals before you shop. Meal planning is your grocery savings best friend. Instead of wandering aimlessly down the aisles thinking, what should I cook this week? You already know. Pick meals based on what you already have at home, what's on sale, and what's easy to cook. Example, if ground beef, rice, and canned beans are on sale, build your meals around tacos, chili, or burrito bowls. No waste, no guesswork, no overspending, and best of all, no food going bad in the back of your fridge. Number 3. Shop your pantry first. Think of your pantry and freezer as a mini grocery store you already paid for. Before you make your list, check what's already in there. Maybe you've got pasta, canned tomatoes, and a half-used jar of pesto. That's dinner waiting to happen. Using what you already have can easily shave $20 to $30 off your weekly bill. People forget how much food they already own. Don't be one of them. Number 4. Make a shopping list and stick to it. Wandering the store without a list is like driving blindfolded. You'll waste time, spend more, and forget what you actually needed. Make your list based on your meal plan and pantry inventory. Stick to the list like it's a contract. No detours for snacks you didn't plan for. You'd be surprised how those small impulse purchases, chips here, candy there, can add up to $30 or more each trip. Number 5. Never shop hungry. This one's simple but powerful. Shopping on an empty stomach is like grocery shopping while under the influence of hunger. Everything looks delicious. You start tossing in cookies, frozen pizza, and snacks you don't need. Grab a snack before you go. A banana, granola bar, anything. A full stomach equals a full wallet. Number 6. Know the best times to shop. Did you know your shopping day can affect how much you spend? Wednesdays are often the best day to shop because new weekly deals begin, and some stores still honor last week's. That means double the discounts. And early mornings usually mean stocked shelves, less crowded aisles, and fresh markdowns on meat, produce, and bakery items. The worst time? Late evenings on weekends. That's when stores are packed, shelves are bare, and you're more likely to make rushed decisions. Number 7. Use unit prices, not just sale prices. That big 2 for $5 deal? It might not be a deal at all. Look at the unit price, how much each ounce, pound, or item costs. Sometimes the larger package is cheaper per unit, sometimes not. Compare and do the math. Example, one 32-ounce yogurt might be cheaper than two 16-ounce containers, saving you $1 or more. Every little bit counts. Number 8. Join store loyalty programs. They're free, and they unlock instant savings you can't get as a regular shopper. Many programs also send personalized coupons based on what you actually buy. Example, if you always buy almond milk and oatmeal, you'll likely get coupons for both. Plus, some apps let you scan your receipts for rewards and cashback. Think of loyalty programs as secret VIP savings only insiders get. Number 9. Buy store brands instead of name brands. This one move could save you hundreds of dollars a year without sacrificing quality. Store brand cereal, canned goods, pasta, and even snacks are often made in the same factories as name brands. Example, that store brand peanut butter might taste identical to Jif, but cost $2 less. Try swapping just 5 items on your list for store brands and see how much you save. Spoiler, you'll probably never switch back. Number 10. Use cashback and rebate apps. Apps like Ibotta, Fetch, or Rakuten give you cashback just for scanning your grocery receipt. You literally earn money for buying what you already plan to get. Some users report getting $20 to $50 back a month just by uploading receipts. And the best part, these rewards stack on top of sales and coupons. So you're saving twice. Number 11. Buy in bulk, but only the right stuff. Buying in bulk can save you money, but not always. Stick to pantry staples with a long shelf life. Rice, pasta, flour, canned goods, frozen veggies. Avoid perishable items in bulk unless you know you'll use them before they spoil. Example, buying 10 pounds of apples may seem like a deal until 4 pounds go bad in your fridge. Bulk savings only work when you can use everything you buy. Number 12. Pay attention to the price per meal. Here's a mindset shift that can change everything. Think about the price of a meal, not just ingredients. Example, let's say you buy a rotisserie chicken for $7. You can use it for chicken sandwiches, salads, soup, and tacos. That one. Chicken can stretch into 4 or 5 meals. That's less than $2 per meal. Start seeing groceries as future meals, not just a cart full of stuff. It helps you make smarter decisions instantly. Number 13. Learn the markdown schedule. Most grocery stores have a secret rhythm to when they mark things down. For example, meat often gets discounted early in the day to move inventory before it expires. Bakery. Items like bread and muffins, they're usually marked down late in the evening. Get to know your local store's habits. You'll start spotting markdown stickers like a pro and scoring steep discounts. Number 14. Freeze what you can't finish. Don't let leftovers or extra ingredients go to waste. Got too many veggies? Chop and freeze them for soups later. Cook too much rice? Freeze it in single portions. Even cheese, milk, and bread freeze surprisingly well. Freezing extends your food's life and your money's. And here's a trick. Freeze items flat in zip bags to save space and make thawing faster. Number 15. Grow your own. Even just a little, you don't need a farm or even a backyard. A windowsill can grow herbs like basil, mint, or parsley. A $5 plant can save you $30 in herbs over a few months. Even a few pots on a balcony can grow tomatoes, peppers, or lettuce. Homegrown food is fresh, chemical-free, and nearly free once you get started. And it just feels good. Number 16. Avoid pre-cut and pre-packaged items. That pre-cut fruit or shredded cheese might save you time, but it costs a lot more. A whole pineapple costs less than half of what a small tub of pre-cut pieces does. A block of cheese is cheaper than a bag of shredded, and it melts better, too. Paying for convenience might be worth it sometimes, but if you're trying to save, do the cutting yourself. It only takes a minute and could save you hundreds over the year. Number 17. Don't fall for store layout tricks. Grocery stores are designed to make you spend more. They put essentials like milk and bread in the back, so you walk past tempting snacks first. They place expensive items at eye level and cheaper alternatives on the bottom or top shelf. Knowing these tricks helps you avoid them. Go in with a plan. Stick to the perimeter where fresh food usually is. The middle aisles? That's snack and sugar central. Number 18. Take advantage of rain checks. If a sale item is out of stock, many stores offer a rain check. That means you can get the sale price later, even after the deal is over. But they won't usually advertise this. You have to ask. Let's say chicken breast was on sale for $1 per pound, but they ran out. Ask for a rain check and get that price next week when it's restocked. That's smart shopping most people miss. Number 19. Stack coupons when possible. Yes, couponing still works, especially when you stack them. That means using a store coupon and a manufacturer's coupon on the same item. Example, store coupon for $1 off cereal. Manufacturer's coupon for $1 off the same cereal. Stack them and you get $2 off. And if the item is already on sale, jackpot. Just make sure to read the fine print. Some stores limit stacking, others welcome it. Number 20. The secret. That can slash your bill in half. Here's the big one we promised: shop once a week. Only once. Most people make 2 to 4 grocery trips per week. Each time you go, you pick up just a few things. But those add up fast. Cutting back to one trip forces you to plan better, reduces impulse buys, and lowers your spending dramatically. Some studies show this alone can reduce grocery costs by 30 to 50%. Try it. Commit to one trip this week and watch the difference. Number 21. Use a calculator while you shop. Keeping a running total as you add items to your cart helps you stay within budget. Use the calculator on your phone or grab a small pocket calculator. It may sound simple, but knowing you're just a few dollars away from your limit will stop you from grabbing that extra bag of chips or impulse dessert. It keeps you accountable and in control. Number 22. Buy seasonal produce. Fruits and vegetables are cheapest when they're in season, strawberries in summer, apples in fall, squash in winter. Prices drop when supply is high. Off-season produce is often shipped from far away, meaning it costs more and may not be as fresh. Planning your meals around seasonal produce saves money and gives you the best flavor. Example, instead of paying $5 for a handful of blueberries in January, wait for summer when they're $2 and bursting with flavor. Number 23. Don't ignore the frozen aisle. Frozen fruits and vegetables are often cheaper than fresh and just as nutritious. They're picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen, locking in vitamins. You can use them in smoothies, soups, stir-fries, and more. And the best part, no waste. You only use what you need, and the rest stays good for months. A bag of frozen broccoli for $1.50 might give you 3 servings, way cheaper than buying fresh and tossing half later. Number 24. Cook once, eat twice. Making double portions of meals helps you stretch your ingredients and save on future cooking. Cook a big batch of chili, pasta, or soup, and freeze half for next week. You'll save money, time, and energy. Example, cook a tray of roasted chicken thighs and use leftovers for salads, sandwiches, or wraps. Meal prep is a grocery-saving powerhouse. Number 25. Watch the register for errors. Cashiers are human, and so are scanners. Sometimes sale items ring up at full price or discounts don't apply correctly. Keep an eye on the screen as items are scanned. If something looks wrong, speak up politely. A quick correction can save you $5 to $10 in just one trip. It's worth paying attention. Number 26. Don't waste money on bottled water. Bottled water is convenient, but it's a budget leak. A 24-pack of bottled water might cost $5 to $7. Meanwhile, tap water in the USA costs less than a penny per gallon. Buy a reusable water filter pitcher and a durable bottle. In a year, you'll save hundreds and help the planet, too. Number 27. Consider a grocery pickup option. Many stores now offer free or low-cost pickup services. You order online, and they load your groceries into your car. This helps avoid impulse buys because you're not walking through the store. It also makes it easier to compare prices and stick to your budget. Plus, you can take your time reviewing your cart before checking out, so you make smarter decisions. Number 28. Make leftovers your friend. Leftovers are not boring. They're budget magic. Turn last night's dinner into a new meal. Example, roast chicken today becomes chicken quesadillas tomorrow, leftover. Spaghetti becomes a pasta bake. One big pot of stew can stretch for days with rice or bread. Get creative, and you'll spend less while eating well. Number 29. Know when to skip the grocery store. Sometimes the best way to save money is to skip shopping entirely. Challenge yourself to go one extra day or two without shopping and use only what's at home. These no-spend days force you to get creative and use what you already have. It's a powerful habit that builds discipline and appreciation. Even skipping one shopping trip per month can save you hundreds a year. Number 30. Keep track of your grocery spending over time. It's hard to improve what you don't measure. Start writing down what you spend on groceries each week. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. After a month or two, patterns will jump out. Maybe you're spending too much on snacks, or maybe you always overspend at one particular store. Once you see the data, you can fix the problem. Knowledge is power, and savings. You don't have to clip hundreds of coupons or go extreme to save on groceries. These simple habits, done consistently, can save you thousands of dollars a year. Now, here's what I want to know. What's one grocery item you've seen the price go way up lately? Let me know in the comments.